This is my Nintendo Switch, and as you can see, the kickstand is broken, as well as the card reader, micro SD card reader is missing. I bought it like this, I didn't break it myself. One thing I wish they had on Nintendo Switches is I wish they had flash drive or hard drive support through USB. It'd be nice, just because I have a broken micro SD card reader, if I could just pop in a USB flash drive and just use that as storage. I know this is a portable gaming console, but standard gaming console all has access to portable external drives like Xbox One, PlayStation 4 or 5. So this is one feature I wish they would add, but I doubt. Nintendo Switch 2 is coming out in 2025, and so we'll see if they add that there, but I doubt they'll add support for flash drive or external hard drives after 6-7 years. But I really like it for this broken Nintendo Switch of mine.